Now, in this technical demonstration, we're going to focus on documentation. We've already configured audit and monitoring services. We've got some audit sessions in place. They've been reviewed, but we need to make sure we document them properly. So what I've done here is in the Audit Analyzer, I'm using the grouped by audit store. So it shows me all of the sessions that are in this particular audit store. And I need to document these. So now what I can do is I can right click on a session, for example, the root session, and I have some options here to work with. But what I need to do is I need to document it. So I need to go ahead and set my reviewers, first of all. If I'm a master auditor, for example, and I want to say I want this to be reviewed, I can set the specific auditor if I choose to. For example, Kim Rogers. And this assigns that session to Kim Rogers. Now I can also simply right click and say update review status, and I have these options here. Right now it's set to none, but I can say pending for action, reviewed, to be reviewed, or to be deleted. This will give us some filtering capabilities from the standpoint of setting our priorities. Now in this particular instance, I'm going to say this was reviewed. We did do something about it. And I can now add comments. So since we've identified somebody's got access to the root account, we need to identify who has that root account, and we need to go ahead and rotate the password for the root account in the vault. So that way, if someone has compromised it, it won't be compromised for very long. So we'll go ahead and click OK. So now I have comments related to this. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the other session. And again, I can go ahead and change the update status here. I need pending for action. Management require to counsel Alex Foster for unauthorized use of privileged information, specifically the license key file found on management server. So now I have notes and comments associated to this. As an auditor, I'm recommending that management counsel Alex Foster. So we'll go ahead and click OK. And now I've got comments built in. I've also documented appropriately, and the master auditor or other auditors who have access to these sessions can then go back in and be up to date with any kind of actions that have been taken.